Okay, 439, still going down.
What the fuck?
Hey guys, it's Thursday, the 1st of February 2018. It's time for another daily update from DeepOnion. This is Kucoin, not live this time, so let's get started. In terms of posts, 363,000, members 11,800, so we got a few more, which is great. Let's have a look at some stats from the airdrop that is happening tomorrow. We have 870 users that applied for it. Let's double check if I am still accepted. Oh yeah, I am accepted. So this is gonna be a big airdrop again, which is pretty cool. In terms of the official news from Deeper, not much, just one thing that was about the new Bitcoin Talk official OP released from Impressive and Glover. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. It looks just awesome, I have to say. Basically goes through the whole coin. What are we about? What do we do? What you can get out of it? So freely airdrop, distributed, no ICO, crowdfunding. Visit deeponion.org. All you have to do is to update your profile, register and apply. Very simple. It's integrated with the latest Tor version 0.3.3. DeepOnion is also now integrated with OBFS4, and the DeepOnion Android wallet is coming very soon. So some key features on there. And totally anonymous, we know that. Private transactions, helping Tor network, and speedy transactions as well, because it's, I think, 60 seconds to generate a block. We have the new wallet, 1.5.1 for Windows, which looks awesome. The default fees have been lowered. It's now 0.01, which is good. Just some coins back, as I said before, so 60 sec per block targets. You can mine it as well with the X13 algorithm, which is also quite unique for some coins, but proof of stake is one of the key features that we have actually that not many coins do have. We have the roadmap on there as well, hasn't changed too much. So we are in Q1, so we will be launching the mobile wallet for iOS and Android. So Android one is pretty much almost ready, so I believe that one will be first, and then the dev team will work on the iOS. They probably work on it already, but it's just gonna be a bit later. In Q2, the free airdrops will complete, and 18 million coins will be freely distributed. In Q2, we'll also see Onion being traded on more exchanges, because like I said a few times before already, we can't get on all the exchanges because they don't allow coins that are going through the airdrop to be listed. And then there is just more and more stuff happening. You can go through it at your leisure. And then it just shows where we are being traded, how you can engage with DeepOnion as well. A bit about the bounty program that we have, you know, for articles, videos and whatnot. You can view the block explorer as well. There are some mining pools information as well. The config file with all the nodes for the wallet, and some translations of it here as well in 8 languages. Yeah, that seems correct. So yeah, go and check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Looks pretty cool, like I said, so don't hesitate to go and upvote and give 1 merit to... Oh, actually, it says here, Mr. Deeper Kobaro gave 1 merit. Okay, but I think you have enough now to move to... Oh no, you don't. Okay. Okay, let me give you 1 merit. I have 1 merit, Deeper, so here you go. Have 1. Have it. Have it, sir. Hopefully it will help you to grow your account. Yeah, it's added. A lot of people did give him already a merit for this. I mean, it's a cool post, so why not? Why would anyone have any problems with it? But don't lose this account, okay? So this is it from DeepOnion. Actually, the last thing I really quickly wanted to mention, if you haven't voted for the MVP do it. I still haven't voted, but I'm leaving it for the last minute, so I will definitely vote. And now let's have a look at the market. So before we go into DeepOnion, let's have a look at the whole thing. So crypto is down. Crypto is down. We are at 435 billion total market cap, down from I think 570. So it's a huge drop today. Let me have a look on the daily chart. Okay, it's only from 506. I thought we were a bit higher. Maybe I just am lost with the travels. So we are roughly 70 billion down, which is still a big amount. The volumes are increasing because I think a lot of people are panic selling. I don't know what they are panic selling for, because yeah, you know, with these prices, it's really silly to sell anything. It's better off to hold. What I notice is that the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, so a lot of people are probably dumping altcoins and moving it a little bit to Bitcoin. So it's 34.2. It was I think around 33% at some point. The daily volume is 25 billion. So I think everything is down apart from few coins that I don't know why they are up for some reason. Probably pumping, being fairly new. It's actually only one here. Where is Tether? Tether here is also down. Can't keep up adjusting. So it's a pretty grim view, even on the 7-day chart. You know, it's not a nice time, I have to say, unless you are buying, which you should be. I am, with whatever I can, but again, it's a high risk investment into crypto, so only risk the money you are prepared to lose. Now, if we have a look at DeepOnion, we are on $5, so minus almost 30% on the USD price, so it is very low. And versus BTC, we are 15% down, so 58,000 satoshis. We were holding on pretty nicely throughout the whole day, but I think just very recently it must have been going down quite steep. So we were sort of flat, trading nicely, and then it just slid quite a lot. Again, probably a good opportunity to buy if you are looking into a good deal. I have some orders on Kucoin. Here is my order, only one. It's pretty low, so it's probably not gonna get filled, but you know, you never know. I'll leave it there. We'll see if it's gonna go through or not, but it would be nice to have another 121 onions. So we'll see what's gonna happen with it. Yeah, guys, you know, it's tough times. China's on holidays. Even though there is much less FUD out there, you know, South Korea is not banning crypto. They're actually looking, I mean, Samsung, which is the biggest probably company from South Korea, is looking into starting their own mining equipment. So, you know, it's it should be boosting now, but well, we never know. If we can hold this off for another, I think, 2 weeks, we should be seeing an upward trend. And I would expect people to realize that these prices are fairly cheap. But again, let's have a look at, you know, the last 3 months on the market cap. So 3 months ago, we were at 184 billion, and now we are on 433. So it's still a lot higher. I mean, it was a big jump, you know, in towards the end of the month and beginning of January. It was just ridiculously high, overpumped probably at 830 billion. So now we are somewhere in the December territory, so a month ago. So it's not too bad. It's just, you know, people don't like to see red. It's not nice. But anyway, $8,812 for Bitcoin. 12% down. But again, I mean, it is a correction, but it's not a crazy correction. 13,000 a month ago. 3 months ago, let's have a look where we were. If the data actually loads. 3 months ago, we were at 6,500. So, you know, It's an interesting one. Let's have a look at 1 year actually. I want to see it. $1,000, under $1,000. So we are still 8 times more than what we were a year ago. And I'm sure if we would zoom into this, we would see some sort of corrections as well. Oh, there was a slightly big one here in the middle of Feb, and then I think it was up from there on. So let's have actually look at this one, how it looked from February. What was the trend last year, if it ever loads? Loading data from server. A lot of data, a lot of data. My order is still not filled. Definitely a lot of activity actually on Kucoin, I have to say. There's been quite a few people buying and selling. I mean, I'm on the Onion Ether, so it's not the most popular one, but it's still pretty good. Okay, so this is the February one. So it had a steady climb, nothing crazy, until May, when it just started to go up. We had the peak towards the end of May, then small correction, and then again an upward trend. So we'll see what's gonna happen this year. If we stay at the $8,000 mark, I mean, nothing's gonna happen. It's just, you know, the way it is, but we'll see. Now, in terms of winners, we had a lot of winners yesterday, so hopefully all of you came back to the thread to claim your prize. I haven't checked it yet, so I need to do that after I finish this. But let's find out who the winner is of today's draw. So let me just put the address in the random comment picker. We had 43 unique commenters, so let's see who is gonna win that one sweet onion. And the winner is Crypto Mining Dude. Nice nickname. Congrats, you say you are awesome, keep up the good work and looking forward to the next video. And you left your DeepOnion address, so congrats, you won 1 onion. Make sure that you do come back to the forum to claim it. All you have to do is go back to the thread with this video that you are watching right now. It's gonna look something like this, so don't miss it and claim your prize. Okay, 439, still going down. Let's see where it's gonna stop. And this is it, guys, for today. Hopefully tomorrow I will have some better news for you in terms of crypto, but just keep on holding and I'm sure we'll get through this. So this is it. Make sure you like, comment with your DeepOnion address, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.